Hey guys, Lytham from Blackpool Honda here. Just giving you a quick video walk around of this 1.6 diesel Civic SR. As you can see from the front of the vehicle, it does come with the LED daytime running lights along the bottom, and of course the halogen headlights. Of course we have these 17-inch tinted diamond cut alloys. Of course I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in. Of course, moving around the vehicle, you will notice a few little features on the rear, including the rear parking sensors, along with a reverse camera just up top here. Of course, in the boot area, you can see that we do have plenty of room in here. We have 60-40 split folding rear seats that fold with a lower level just there. Of course, we have your pull-over privacy shelf there as well. And of course, just below here, we have your 12-volt power outlet, just in case you would like to put a cooler box in the rear, or charge a device in the boot, maybe. Of course, moving around, showing you the rear alloy just here. Of course, in the rear of the vehicle, we do have the cloth black seats. As you can see, it does have ISOFIX mounting points in the rear at the bottom. Of course, we have electric and automatic rear windows as well. Moving to the front of the vehicle now, showing you the 4 switches just here for all 4 windows. Of course, central locking and window lock, as well as power fold with electric adjustment for the wing mirrors. Moving inside the car, you can see that we have your electric handbrake with brake hold just there, Econ stop start, and of course your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got dual climate control just there, and of course your 7-inch touchscreen display, which comes with satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, and of course your audio sources just here. Of course, on the steering wheel now, we have this button here which controls your volume. Onboard computer controls are there. Of course, we have your voice assistant just there with your Bluetooth hands-free. Now of course, these arrows control your source, and of course your station select, but they do also control the onboard computer up top once this button here is pressed. Of course, on the right hand side, we have your cruise control with speed limiter. We also have lane keep assist, as well as distance control from the car ahead. We've got automatic headlights there and automatic windscreen wipers there. And while we're here, I'll just quickly show you that this car can achieve onwards of 50 miles per gallon, of course, and it has only done 19,592 miles. Moving back outside the vehicle now, showing you the last remaining alloy. Of course, if you have any further questions or queries on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.